All right, in this video, I'm gonna discuss how to use your DeKalb County Chromebook. All right, first things first, if your Chromebook is charged, as soon as you open it up, it should come on. But if not, you wanna come to the right of the Chromebook, and there's a little button right here that you're gonna push. So once you push it, you should get this screen here that says Chrome. And if this is your first time signing into the Chromebook, this should be the screen that you get. And I'll show you what you get next time you sign in. Okay, so this is asking you to sign in. First things first, if you need to add your internet network, you want to come to the bottom right-hand corner, and should be a little, looks like upside down triangle. You push that, and over here should be another upside down triangle next to the left of Bluetooth, and you push that button, and it asks you to add your network, okay? So now when you sign in for the first time, you want to enter your student ID number, okay? Which is going to be the letter S, okay? Because you're a student, followed by your ID number, which is 9192. So enter this one in. And once you enter that in, push next. And it asks for a password, okay? Now your password, depending on what grade you are in, it's gonna be the word DeKalb. So that's DEKALB, followed by the grade that you're in. So if you're 9th grade, 09, if you're 8th grade, 08, 10th grade, 10, 7th grade, 07. So it just depends on what grade you're in, okay? All right, once you enter that password, all right, it'll give you this screen, and just press Alt, get started. Typically, the first page that pops up will be this Clever page, okay, the rocket ship. If that doesn't pop up and you get just this screen, that's okay too. If you look at the bottom, you have your Google Chrome, you have the C for Infinite Campus where you check your grades, you have the telephone if you need to put in a help desk ticket, Verge, and the launch pad. So push that rocket ship and it brings this up, okay? Sorry. And you want to log in with Active Directory. And that's just gonna be your username, so S, and your ID number. Same information you use to get on, enter to the computer. And the password, same password, DeKalb, and whatever grade you're in. All right, so here's Clever. So let's just look at a couple features that you can find in Clever. First things first, you'll see the teacher pages. So if your teacher has a page on Clever, that's where you'll see it. You'll see your DCSD learning tools. Infinite Campus, you can check your grades. Verge. Verge is where you'll find your online assignments. My Files, Office 365, productivity tools. This is where you will go to find your Microsoft Teams. And Microsoft Teams is where most of your online classes will be with your teacher. So let's sign in with Microsoft Teams. And typically the first time you do this, it'll ask you to sign in. So to sign in, same thing, S followed by your ID number, followed by at, let's see, sorry. Followed by at DCSDschools.ga.org. So you want to follow your ID number with at DeKalbSchoolsGA.org and press next. And give it a second. And here is Microsoft Teams, okay? This is where your live classes, where you'll meet face-to-face with your teacher. These boxes all represent different classes. So social studies, physical education, science, health. What else do we have? I believe math. So all your classes here. If your teacher gives you some type of code to join your class, you push this and you enter the code, and that'll allow you to access the class too. But here's where you'll come. So just go to Earth Science, and it opens this page, okay? Here's where you would join the live session. Somewhere along here in purple, you should see the words join, Join, and that allows you to join your class, this word right here. You want to look for join, okay? Somewhere along right there allows you to join your class. To get back, now once you leave class, if you push all teams, it brings you back to this page. That's Microsoft Teams, okay? Let's go back to Clever. All right, so back in Clever, okay? Let's look over here. You also have a school email address and email account. If you want to check your email, push this, Office 365 for DCSD students. And give it a second. All right, so it brings up all these icons. And if you want to check your email messages, see where it says Outlook, you push that. And here's where you find your email, okay? So all these are emails from the teacher. If you want to send a message, you can press New Message. Okay, and here's type 2, put the email address, subject, message, and send. So that is your email. Let's go back to Clever. Now for your online assignments, most teachers are using Verge. Some might be using Google Classroom, but for this, we're just doing Verge. So I'm gonna show you, click on Verge. It should bring you here. Now, if I ask you to log in with your DCSD ID, just press that button, it'll bring you here. Here's the page you come to. To find your classes, click Courses. And you can do all courses. So as you see, these are all your classes, okay? For example, business, creative writing, health, language arts, mathematics, physical education, science, social studies. So let's click on math. All right. Here's the announcements page. Your teacher can send you an announcement. You can respond to that announcement. They can send you reminders. If you look to the right, this will show you your assignments that you have to answer. So you can click here to get to your assignments, or if you do resources. And here, your teacher can also list your assignments. They can put in a folder, or they'll just have them here. So assignments. All right, and here they give you instructions. And to complete the assignment, you push answer assignment, and it allows you to answer and submit that assignment to the teacher, okay? If you need to message your teacher, you see this icon here? It was like next to the bell. You push that, and I push new. I can send a message, so. So here I can put in, for example, Mr. Lacey, and I can type him a message, okay? So that is Teams, your email, and Verge, where you find your online assignments. Now, once you're finished for the day, you push sign out. And it brings you back here, and this is the screen you'll see. So now you're already signed in, just need to enter your password, and that's it. All right, enjoy.